I can't believe I'm actually going to do this. If you don't know me, I'm Ashley, and I have been the queen of dupes on my Instagram and TikTok for a while, and I am going to share my secrets. I always get the question, how do you find these dupes? First, you're going to take a screenshot of the item that you want. Next, you will need Google, so if you don't have it, download it. And you see that lens or the camera in the right corner. This is called Google Lens. You put your screenshot into that, and it will start looking for an item. This item, there happens to be plenty of dupes, but the best one I found was $180 from Walmart. So I click on it and I screenshot that. Then I just go into my photos and kind of toggle back and forth to make sure it looks a lot alike. And for $500 savings, it's close enough.